BeforeFlix.com. It claims you can watch free early access movies and shows, even things that haven't been released on Netflix or theaters yet. Sounds amazing, but is it real? Or is BeforeFlix just another scam trying to collect your data? Let's break everything down. So on the homepage, BeforeFlix promises unlimited streaming, premium movies and TV shows, early access to brand new releases, no subscription, no payment. Just verify your account to start watching. This is the first red flag. No legitimate streaming platform can legally offer early releases without having actual licensing rights. Netflix, Disney+, Amazon, none of them give away early access for free. So if a random unknown site claims this, something is wrong. Here's the truth. BeforeFlix is not a real streaming service. When you try to play any movie or show, you don't get actual content. Instead, you get survey traps, fake account verification, redirects to unrelated websites, pop-ups asking for your email, downloads you should never install, fake tutorials telling you to complete a step. None of these give you the movie. The only purpose is to harvest your information or earn commissions from shady offers. So in short, you never get access to anything. Let's go over the biggest warning signs from the website itself. 1. Domain age lies. The website was created on October 28, 2025, but claims copyright 2024. This is a common scam trick to pretend they've been around longer. 2. Broken buttons. Every button on the site except one redirect is broken. Real platforms don't have half-functional pages. 3. No legal licensing. BeforeFlix lists zero information about movie rights, streaming licenses, partners, distribution agreements. Legit platforms must display this. 4. No company information. There is no company name, no owner, no address, no terms of service, no privacy policy, no support page. This alone makes the site unsafe. 5. Not linked to Netflix or any real streaming service. Even though it uses Netflix-style thumbnails, it has no connection to Netflix or any real brand. Visiting BeforeFlix can expose you to malware downloads, browser hijackers, pop-up scams, adware extensions, email phishing attempts, data collection by unknown third parties. Even entering your email could lead to spam, phishing, fake subscription charges, identity theft risks. Remember, if a website asks you to complete surveys to watch movies, it's a scam. These fake streaming sites are part of a bigger scam pattern. Here's what the scammers get. Ad revenue from the redirects, commissions from surveys, money from downloads, your email and personal info, your data which they can sell. They never deliver the actual movie or show. Their profit depends on tricking you into clicking. So after reviewing all the evidence, BeforeFlix is not a real streaming service. It has no legal rights to any movies. It delivers no real content. It's designed to harvest your data. BeforeFlix is a scam. Stay far away. Do not enter your name, email, payment info, or download anything from a platform. If you want safe streaming, stick with trusted services only. Thanks for watching this BeforeFlix review. If you've ever come across this website or even tried it, share your experience in the comments. Your story could help protect someone else. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay smart online. See you in the next video.